Okay, good everyone. Today we are going to do a little calculation of the indices and index we treated the other day. Today we are going to solve a simple question we have on the board. Then if you look at the question, it's one of the JAMB questions. Now, in all the laws of indices we have discussed, you are going to see how they coin some questions through the word in laws. Now, number one, they said solve for x in the equation of what? We have solution. Now, we have 10x times 5 raised to power what? 2x minus 2 times 4 raised to power what? x minus 1 equal to 1. Now look at the question. Look at this. This is an index. This is an index. This is an index because we have base and power, base and power, base and power. And they are equal to what? 1. They say we should find the value of x. Remember, this index is operating with this index with multiplication. And this index again is operating with this index with multiplication. And from the first law of indices I treated, I said that what? That whenever index is joining with another index in terms of multiplication, they must have the same base for them to what? For we to add the powers. Now in this case, these people now came in this way by giving us what? 10 as a base, 5 as a base, and 4 as a base. You find out what? All these bases are not the same. What are we going to do? We are going to break it down into what we call LCB, lowest common base. What is the lowest common base? What can I see here? And also I will see it here, and I will see it here. Now if you look at this, inside this 10, there is 2. Inside this 4, there is 2. I want to break it down and I want to simplify them. Inside this 10 again, there is 5. And inside here, there is what? 5. So what are we going to say? The lowest common base is what? 2 and what? 5. 2 and 5. So since we have 2 and 5, we are going to work with 2 and 5. This one is what? 2 times what? 5 will give us 10. And that 10 has what? A power of what? X. Times, we have 5 raised to power what? 2s minus what? 2. Times, what about this one? 2 raised to power what? 2 will give us 4. And that 4 has what? S minus 1. All of them are equal to what? 1. Now, I told you again that when we have A and B, all raised to power what? X, that these bases are going to share the power of what? X. So in that case, 2 is going to share what? X. And again, 5 is going to what? Share X. Multiply by what? 5 raised to power what? 2s minus what? 2. Times 2 raised to power what? This time this will give me what? 2x minus what? 2. Equal to what? 1. Now in this case, we are going to see that what? This is a base of x. Then this one is also a base of what? 2. We have 2 and 2. I want to combine them. 2 raised to power s is going to combine with what? 2 raised to power what? 2s minus what? 2. And again, 5 raised to power what? X is going to combine with what? 5 raised to power what? 2s minus what? 2. For we to have what? 1. Now, this one, now the law of indices we call multiplication is going to hold here. Because they have the same base, so we are going to combine. Whenever they have the same base, we take one base, which is what? 2. What are we going to do to the powers? We add. So this will be what? S plus what? 2s minus what? 2. We are trying to add them. Times, this is 5. They have the same base. What do? We take one base and add the powers. S plus what? 2s minus what? 2. Now, all of them are equal to what? 1. Now in this case, what do? We have 2 raised to power. S plus 2s is going to give us what? 3s minus what? 2. Times 5 raised to power. S plus 2s again is going to give us what? 3s minus what? 2. Which is equal to what? 1. Now if you look at this case, when you come to this case or this place, you are going to see I cannot join these two together because they have multiplication separating these two indices now. But the law says for we to combine, both of them are going to have the same base. But in this case now, what do? We needed to find the value of what? X. Because they say we should find the value of x. But in this case, they don't have the same base. What am I going to do? I will remember. I will say, recall that a b raised to the power what? X is equal to what? A raised to the power x and b raised to the power x. So if I have two bases having a single power, one power, they are sharing one power, both of them are going to share the power. Now, which means A is going to have the power of x and B is going to have the power of s to be in this form. Now, if I have it in this form, I can combine them by bringing out that power outside to be in this form. So, which means if I come here, this power 3s minus 2 and 3s minus 2 are the same. So, if they are the same, I can say that 2 raised to the power what? 3s minus what? 2 times 5 raised to the power what? 3s minus what? 2 can also be the same thing as 2 times what? 5 all raised to the power what? 3s minus what? 2. So which means it means that what? This share this power and this one again share this power. Both of them share the power to be in this form. So which means since I have it like this, I can come here and combine them as 2 times what? 5 all raised to the power what? 3s minus what? 2. Because when they share this power, they are going to be in this form, which is equal to, remember, we have 1 here. And we are dealing with what? Equality. In equality, whatever we have in this side must balance with whatever we are going to have in the other side. So in that case, what are we going to do? Since we said that a raised to the power what? 0 is equal to what? 1. If only a is not what? 0. A can take any other number. Whenever a takes any other number and having a power of what? 0, the answer is going to be what? 1. So in that case, I can come here and say, because we are trying to balance the equation, that 2 times what? 5 all raised to the power what? 0 is also equal to 1. Because 2 raised to the power 0 is what? 1. And again, 5 raised to the power 0 is equal to what? 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 times what? 5 raised to the power 0 is like saying 1 times what? 1. Because 2 raised to the power 0 is what? 1. 5 raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. Which is this thing we have. So in that case, everything here, 2 times 5 all raised to the power what? 0 is equal to what? 1. You see that what? We have, in this case now, we have balanced this by equating the word the base. If you equate the base, since the base are the same, what are we going to have? We are going to have 3s minus what? 2 is now equal to what? 0. Is now equal to what? 0. So can I find the value of s? Because we now look at what? The powers. If we cancel the base, we select the powers. So which means 3s minus what? 2 is equal to what? 0. Then 3s is equal to, when this cross the sign of equality, we have what? 2. Divide here by 3, divide here by 3. This can cancel this. Our s becomes what? 2 over what? 3. So what should be the value of what? S now is what? 2 over 3. And that is what? The answer what we have as what? B. So thank you for watching this wonderful calculation. Please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Coach The Great. Thanks.